You know the Japanese restaurants where they cook almost all of the food in front of you? They make the wild onion volcanoes. They'll do the egg toss into their hats and they just create a lot of fire. And then they hand you your plate and the food is phenomenal. Today we're gonna become our very own hibachi chef. All right, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. First, we're gonna begin by prepping our rice that I definitely didn't forget and leave on the stove a few minutes ago. Unfortunately, I didn't bring any teriyaki sauce, so we're gonna be flavoring with some olive oil. I'm gonna be giving away the rice glove, so like the video down below. They begin chopping it up really nice, and then they make it into this like big pile, and then they put it to the side. Today, I need to be training to prepare a meal for my family tomorrow. They're expecting a high quality dinner. Gotta add a little bit of flavor. Nice. And we'll let that simmer for a few seconds. It's now time for the volcano onion, or as I like to call it, the volcanion. That sounds like a bad word. Is it a bad word? Whenever I Googled this earlier today, they said all we gotta do is chop it and then make a volcano shape out of it and pour some alcohol down the middle. Beautiful. Oh, I see how they do it. One of those bad boys. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, easy enough. So now it tells us to pour alcohol down the middle and then light it. When in Rome, what's the worst that could happen? Excuse me. Oh gosh. Okay. I might have poured a little too much alcohol. Could have been the issue there. Second time's the charm, right? I think we're getting close to finishing our dish, which is rice and onion meal. Let's try this volcano thing one more time, because if I do that in front of my family tomorrow, I don't think they're gonna be stoked. Don't worry guys, every safety precaution has been taken. Let me know down in the comments below if you would eat this. Give it another whirl. This time with a little bit less alcohol. Okay, the question is though, is the entire onion supposed to be on fire? Good news, ladies and gentlemen. Our training is complete. I think we're ready to cook the meal for our family. Go out, go out. Can I start you guys with anything to drink first?
Take a Coke.
Coke, got it.
I'll take a LaCroix.
I'll be right back, guys.
Perfect.
That's exactly what I ordered.
Yeah. Are you guys ready to order?
Yes.
Absolutely.
I'll take the number 2.
The number 2? Mushrooms, no onions, got it.
I will take the steak rice bowl.
I would like rice, brown rice.
All right, got it. I'll put those right in. Chef Cruz will be right out here. Just be warned. Hello, friends and family. How we doing? How we doing?
Great.
You had the onions, rice, and egg?
No.
You had the onions, ice reg?
Apparently.
Now, me personally, I don't like to oil the pan before I put in eggs.
See ya.
Around here, we like to do a few tricks. You guys ever seen the old hat toss?
Yeah. Nice. What's the logic of not oiling the pan?
You oil it afterwards.
Pretty sure that's not how that works.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Nothing at all.
Would you mind flipping that after a few seconds? I gotta go grab something. Ma'am, excuse me. We ask that you don't touch the spatulas here, please.
That's only enough for one person though.
Jesus feeds the 5,000. Alrighty.
I had a dog once that died.
You guys like fire?
Yeah.
So we call this the flaming volcano.
Okay. Okay.
That's too much.
Fire! Woo! Volcano!
Volcano.
Volcano! Bonsai! Bonsai! All right, guys. So thank you for coming to cook with me.
Yep.
We gotta go get the second chef to put in the order really quick.
Okay.
What can I get for you?
First, could I get the teriyaki tofu?
It'll be ready in about 10 to 15 minutes.
Thank you so much. Everybody loves the sunshine. I had a call in. Good. So we went ahead and prepared your food back at house just because we figured it easier. So there is, and here's your food. Yeah, all right, so eat.
Wow. This is incredible.
This is incredible. incredible.
Good job, Cruz.
Great job.
So my next video, ladies and gentlemen, is gonna be the Squid Game Among Us video. I really hope you guys enjoy it. It'll be coming in a couple weeks. I promise. Not too far behind. I'll catch you next time.